Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to say I'm hungry in Italian. Very important so that you can get all the pasta that you need. This is pronounced ho fame. Ho fame. Ho fame. Ho fame. All right, let's analyze it. So this is composed of two words. The first one is the verb to have, and that is because really what you are saying is I have hunger. So fame means hunger, and you're using the verb to have because differently from English where you say I am hungry, in Italian, as I say, we say I have hunger. So o is I have, already conjugated. Note that the H is mute. You don't pronounce it. Fame means hunger. You may have noticed that when I pronounce it all together, it sounds like the F is double, because I don't say ho fame, I say ho fame. That is because I'm using standard Italian pronunciation. People in the north do pronounce it like a single F oftentimes, and it's not wrong, but it is not standard Italian diction. In the south, it is in fact more common, and in the center, that people will double it, ho fame, and that is the correct way. This is based on a rule of Italian diction that is called raddoppiamento fonosintattico. And generally speaking, the idea is, I'll make a dedicated video, that when you have o, in this case, but it also happens after accented vowels, you always double the consonant that follows. So whichever word you put after the verb to have that is a consonant, you will double it. Ho fame. So, are you hungry? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.